guys? All right, so just got to Lake Tahoe, California. I know a lot of you guys wanted me to hit like LA or something like that, but it just didn't make sense to go inland. It was just too far out of the way, and plus like traffic and things like that. But I'm gonna hit LA after the challenge is over. I'm gonna drive down there, but today I'm psyched to be in Lake Tahoe. I got my friend Richie Banks out here. Gonna meet up and skate, and that's it. It's much cooler up here than it was down in Las Vegas. So weather's perfect right now. Gonna go skate.
Spencer.
Chad, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
How are you?
Good to see you, man. Glad you made it, dude.
How are you? How's everything?
Oh, dude, I haven't been to this park in like 20 years, dude. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like it's kind of beat up over there, but they got the street section.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a nice location, man.
It's perfect,
beautiful.
Man. Yeah, here's a little love box for you. Yeah,
yeah,
for sure, dude. Just support the local. Yeah, man.
All right, let me check this
Yeah,
out.
no worries. Still Dead Stickers, which is my company.
Coming through with the herbal tea.
Yeah, and caffeine free for
oh,
sure.
Yeah, appreciate that.
Then local skate shop, Milo, some stickers, and yeah, man.
Damn.
Repping it.
You're the man. Thank you so
no
much,
worries.
dude.
It's so pumped you got here, dude. It's so sick, man.
Dude, long time nice traveler's beer.
Hey, Ben, what's
nice
up?
traveler's beer.
I'm going 50 days with this
yeah.
thing, man.
What was the most American moment of the trip?
Probably this one, meeting up with you.
Oh, God, somebody really knows how to make me feel like a good fella. God, is this your fan club that they found out that you're in California and they're just coming for a meet and greet? He's over here. He's signing autographs. He's only going to stay for one day. Yeah, yeah, you can. You're in it. I sure don't take Kylie to the wood chips scattering over our land. A lot of chips being distributed.
Can you do a kickflip?
Yes, I can. Oh!
I stayed here this winter, so I didn't really skate much. I skated the bowl a few times.
Yeah.
But now that it's like the snow's gone, I've been skating as much as I can.
Is the winter here like, what, like 3 months or something? Like
Just like 6 months.
6 months? That hurts so bad.
Well, that was a good one.
Where we go?
Go to my little map over here. Emerald Bay State Park. You ready?
How far is it?
Penetrate the waterfall. Just 28 minutes, my friend.
All right, I'll see you over there.
Yeah, follow me, pal. Very good see from this angle.
I couldn't understand you.
What was that one?
The second deepest lake in North America.
Is it?
Yeah! The second deepest lake in North America.
And what's the first?
I don't know.
You know if there's diving allowed in this section? He's an Olympic diver.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
He's here for competition.
Alright, I think it's time for a new tripod. The leg keeps falling off of this thing and I'm pretty sure I just lost it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try. It's like a 270 lip slide, or alley-oop backside disaster slide. I'm not even sure what you call it, but that's what I'm gonna learn today. Okay, so first full day of the craziness of these 7.5-hour drives, and still feeling like a little behind. Like I wanted to be on the road already. It's almost 8 o'clock, so I'm not gonna get to Bend, Oregon till, I don't know, 3 in the morning. So yeah, still trying to adjust. I think I'm gonna have to shorten my days up a little bit. But yeah, I had a fun day today. Got to skate with some old friends, and that's it, hitting the road. See you guys tomorrow.